Art Inventory Manager, Mrs. Maylene R. Cortez, our Senior Arts.
Anak ko, kuya! Kuya! Unang tingin ko lang eh, happy yan. Nandun, sa kabilang side.
Galing. Nagkasa ka kasi.
Miss Juliana Nicole, Mr. It's great because it ends with a smile, right? And we say kulay sa tubig, it ends with a smile. So there. Alright, good morning. And the final photo. A final. Thank you so much. Today, on the 20th day of September, we are witnessing the ceremonial cutting of the ribbon in celebration of art. Without further ado, the Museum of Manila. And lastly, Mrs. Marines Pineda, co-founder of the Makati Fair, president of Zonta Club of Makati. Welcome to our judges. We have each and every single one of you here today. And you know, as I said a while ago, keep spreading the word and keep spreading the connection with our wonderful artists. Use the hashtag.
Really like watercolor using the medium of